crypto.
Welcome back to the Underground Crypto. And what do we have here with this news? We have Stellar XLM buying opportunity. The market is dropping right now. But what does that mean? It means opportunity to buy. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice for entertainment purposes only. So if we look at this article from fxstreet.com, this was released yesterday. And what they're saying is Stellar Lumen's price prediction on the verge of massive 50% free fall to 8 cents. This is crazy news right here. But what it means for us, if this does happen, it means buying opportunity. Because I thought we would never see this price again. And if we look at the market right now, and this is looking at tradingview.com. This is a great app. It was at 15 cents. It was at 17 cents starting today, and it dropped all the way down to 14 cents. So there is a sell-off that's happening right now, also with Bitcoin. But as we can see here in the technicals, we still have a strong buy. Still a strong buy. Right? And if we look at further the technicals, it's still neutral. So this is a buying opportunity coming up. Don't be nervous with the sell-off. It can be nervous, but you definitely don't want to sell. You want to accumulate. So now, if we look at this article, it's saying Stellar is holding in consolidation just like the other cryptocurrencies in the market. The weekend session was lethargic in price action, apart from the rebound from 16 cents to 18 cents. So what they're saying here is XLM is stuck. We have a major resistance after, if I spread this out, at the 18 cents. So we had a resistance at the 20 cents mark and a resistance at the 17 cents, and it's going down right now. So that's what they're talking about here. Stellar's potential breakdown reinforced by a sell signal. XLM USD is trading at 17 cents at the time of the writing, with the 100 simple moving average emphasized the support at 17 cents on the 4-hour chart. So massive losses will befall the cross-border token if the price dives under this critical moving average by the end of the day. And we can see that it's falling right now. The TD sequential indicator has flashed a sell signal on the weekly chart. We don't do that here. There's no selling unless you're day trading. We hodl, encouraging sellers to increase their positions. So this is what we do here. We increase our position. The call to sell manifested in a green 9 candlestick, and if validated, may result in significant losses according to the weekly chart. The most potential support area is 12 cents, but declines could stretch to the 50 SMA and 100 SMA. But what they're saying here on the other side, it's worth mentioning that the bearish outlook will be abandoned if Stellar recovers past 18 cents and perhaps closes the day above the 50 SMA. And we can see that it did not, because this was posted yesterday. So we're taking a nosedive right now, but it's a great buy. That's what we see here, buy. We can see the signal saying buy. A great buying opportunity right now. If Stellar swells for a price correction, we're eyeing 23 cents, which we're trying to get back to that resistance right here, around the 20 cent level there. But the good news, there's some good news with all of this. So USDC, you do remember back in October, USDC did mention that they will be building on Stellar, the sleeping giant. So USDC is expected to go live on Stellar by February 2021. So this is going to be big news. We're going to see big things happen next year. So the sleeping giant may be closing its eyes again for now, but big things on the horizon for next year. So USDC is a stable coin developed by Century Consortium May have said that incorrectly, but we'll move on. A collaboration between Circle International Financial and Coinbase. It's a digital asset issued by regulated financial institutions. It's fully backed by reserve assets and it's redeemable on a 1-to-1 basis for US dollar. So this is going to be huge for Stellar here. What does this mean for USDC coming to Stellar? So what it means is developers and businesses will be able to integrate it into Stellar-based apps and service to allow users to make deposits, withdrawals, hold, transfer, and trade USDC like any other asset. So we can see Stellar is continuing its momentum. Don't let this price action, what they're saying, don't let this price action neutral. Don't let this fool you. It's all buy, buy, buy. Right. So if we go back, what's the benefit for business building on Stellar? USDC is held to Centra's high standard to maximize the security customers' funds. It also has proven adoption, deep global liquidity across countries and platforms, which makes it an optimal asset for cross-border transactions. So huge news right here, huge news. How can business building on Stellar integrate USDC? APIs and a GUI, simple as that. And that's what Stellar is all about. That's what they're all about. Making things simple, fast, cheap. The sleeping giant, right? So we are getting some downtime right now, but it's a buy, buy, buy opportunity. All right, so that's a wrap for now. Be on the lookout for the video. I have top 10 ways for riches in 2021. I'll be releasing that hopefully tomorrow. Right, and reminder, we are giving away the 500 XLM. So that's 100 XLMs to 5 people. All right, so subscribe, like the video. That's a wrap. Thanks a ton for watching. Stand clear of the closing doors. The next stop for Stellar is the moon. Let's get it.
We don't have that much competition. They would use Stellar to make their payments faster.